Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And if you're looking for an awesome casual watch face to wear for the weekend, this will be the one. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, he is back. We got another awesome watch face by the developer we hit you with yesterday. Those two watch faces that you guys enjoyed. He is back with another one, and this one is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go download ASAP and also keep your eye on this guy because he is definitely on the rise. I'm giving him 3 thumbs up with no problem. But let's have a look at this watch face, right? The name of the watch face is called Prior's Mix. I like the design, the layout is beautiful, and in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look for the Gear 3. It's gonna be dimmed down, you're gonna get the same design, same info, but the color is gonna light up different in the AOD mode, but it's gonna look nice. Now when the watch face is on, I do like the analog theme of this watch face. I do like the dials that were applied, and also the layout isn't bad. It is an analog / digital watch face, which isn't a bad look, but let's have a closer look. First of all, you just get the 12 at the top, you get 3 dials over here, your digital time is right there. I like the date. It's in its traditional place, and also you get a previous look, and you also get a look at what day of the week is coming up. Up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate information, which I thought looked pretty nice. You're going to get your battery info right here. I like the way that's lighting up as well. And you get your calories burned and floors climb down at the bottom. You get a good look at your digital time. It's very legible. And also you get your step information along with the month and the year. So this isn't a bad look for an analog / digital watch face. I like the hands. I like the second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. And yes, people, this watch face is interactive. So let's check it out. So if I tap right here, of course, I can go into my heart rate information. I come down, battery. We're going to go through all of them just to give you an idea of what you could do. Of course, you can go into your step status info, and right here, bring up your settings. And in the, well, let's go up at the top. If I tap there, I can set a shortcut favorite. And if I tap right here, I can do the same thing. And I tap on the date. I can bring up my calendar. So this is definitely a good look for a casual watch face. And yes, we can customize the color theme of the watch face with a double tap. And the developer gives you a few nice colors to choose. And I like how it blends into the background. It really stands out a lot. What do you think, people? Is it worth the download, or is it a leave it right where it's at? Hit me in the comment section down below because I really would love to know your thoughts on this one. And hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.